Woman that could take your spotlight.
Hey guys, it's Tariana. You know we're back again with another video. Today's video, as you see by today's title, is gonna be this full lay, the wig installed with me or whatever. So like before we get into today's video, I'm finna go ahead and you pretty much mold this down, put my wig cap on, and we finna go ahead and slay her. Okay? I just took my wig off, y'all. So bear with the process. I know I'm looking crazy, and I know my you can't even see my braids no more, child. We ain't gonna worry about that, okay? Let's go ahead and get to the seat. Y'all, before y'all go ahead and get on me, y'all, I don't know what. Okay, I used spritz because I didn't want to use the edge booster because I felt like it was gonna be like oily, and I didn't want nothing oily, but on the like the the perimeter and stuff like that, because it's gonna cause the lace to lift and stuff like that. So I ended up just trying to use spritz just to see how it works out, and y'all, it does not really work that well. So I would not recommend using spritz like I did in this video or whatever. But yeah, y'all, I'm definitely going to try to find I'm just gonna keep using the Eco Styler gel and putting the blow dryer right there to like basically dry my edges down before I apply the wig, or I'm just gonna start better off with a fresh set of braids, because girl, yeah, that's what I would recommend too. But yeah, y'all. Okay, y'all, so the first three things that I want to talk about spirituality and basically my overall, like, how life and things has been changing for me in the last 3 years, ever since I started, like, basically my own spiritual routine and stuff like that, working with my spiritual mentor for the last 3 to 4 years of my life. So the first thing I wanted to say is all about basically making life meaningful to you, like all about creating good habits and basically transformation, breaking through your old ways of living and stuff like that. It's not about, because like your crystal decks and how much tarots and all this other stuff. It's all about, like, for me, once I started tapping into like my intuition more and start actually seeing my spiritual gifts and stuff like that, when I had like started to work with clients and stuff, it allowed me to really see like things like really for what it is and what it ain't, child. Like, so yeah, and it also did kind of freak me out in the beginning, because I'm like, I don't even know how I know this stuff, but it's just be coming out. And I just be like, okay. So I just be going with the flow of things, girl. But I also feel like it definitely helped me create like a lot more faith in myself. Well, yeah, I feel like my foundation on faith and everything is like solidified. You feel me? I mean, I'm pretty sure y'all seen my determination and everything that I have, but I just have a lot of faith in myself and in God. I just trust and believe that everything will work out, as long as I give the situation to God and I just put in my work. You feel me? So, that's just that. I also feel like, what kind of like stood out to me is like, I noticed like when I started to like, read tarot and stuff like that, a lot of people were kind of like against it and stuff like that, which is okay. You feel me? Like, I feel like a lot of people are intuitive and kind of like have these empath abilities. People are psychic and stuff like that, but it's just all in how they go about it, all in how they use it. Not everybody, like, you don't need cards to be psychic and stuff like that, y'all. I just wanted to put that big disclaimer out there. I feel like these are things that you're just born with. Like, it's not like an on and off ability, like you could just turn it on and off. You feel me? It's just like, it's just there. So yeah, and I also feel like now that I see beyond the cards, like before when I started reading, I didn't know that I was like reading like through the cards. Like, I don't need the cards to read now, like, to be honest. And it does kind of freak me out sometimes, but then I'm kind of happy that I am like that. But I feel like I kind of built that spiritual routine up when I started to like really like spending time alone in my own solitude, really finding out what are my creative habits, what are things that I really like, what are things that really bring me peace in life. And I love, like, some days, like especially like on Sundays or Mondays, I like to like just sit out and just like write to myself, like kind of like reflect back on things. Or I probably do like a reflection once a month, and I'll probably do like a releasing ritual with it or whatever, like releasing like the fears or whatever that came up for this month or whatever situation it is. You feel me? I feel like it definitely opened my mind up in so many ways that I was not expecting, girl. Like, girl, was not expecting to be like this open-minded and just so aware of like my actions and other people's actions and everything going on around me. And also it can be overwhelming sometimes, but that's when the meditation come in, you feel me? That's when that grounding work come in, you feel me? But yeah, so that's just that. I also feel like yeah, it's all about your intention and what you make of it, pretty much. So that's all I have to say about that, y'all. And I'm gonna just go ahead and let y'all continue watching this video, girl. Enough of the chit chat, but yeah, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video and enjoyed this little chit chat I had with y'all. Cause girl, I definitely had to get that off my chest.
So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessing the I reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, in the right on post. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most.
A few more things that I definitely wanted to say before I close out this video with y'all. I definitely feel like ever since I started working with my spiritual mentor for over the last few years, I noticed like my mindset changed. I noticed like I had more like of an optimistic, positive mindset. I noticed like every time my fears and doubts and stuff would come up, I would have solutions for them. You feel me? It won't just be like they just overwhelm me and I just feed into the crazy loop of the anxiety hole. That's what I call it, because like, you know, when you experience anxiety and stuff like that, you wonder where it's coming from and stuff like that. And sometimes it's either you let it consume you or you just like learn how to work for it, like allow it to like not work for it, but like allow it to work through, like work with it, work through it, you feel me? Like and stuff like that. So I definitely noticed that a lot of just mental growth, like a lot of spiritual growth, a lot of just growth in overall in all areas of my life, girl, like seriously. Like craziness. But yeah, y'all, so that's like, I love my spiritual mentor. Her name is Christian. Shout out to Christian. Her I'm gonna put her YouTube channel on here. Her YouTube channel is Pageant Queen Pixie. I'm definitely going to be listing it up here. But yeah, y'all, those are the main things that I definitely wanted to say, and I'm very grateful that I made this decision for myself moving forward. At first, I was really scared at first because I didn't want no one to like just take advantage of me being vulnerable and stuff, but she's real cool. She's not nothing like that or anything like that. Yeah, I love her overall vibe. She don't give me like no creepy, crazy vibes or anything like that, or anything like that, y'all. I'm just saying that because some of the people that are online and wanting to be these mentors and stuff, I don't know. My spirit guides be saying no, so I just trust what my spirit be telling me about people, and that's just that. But yeah, she real, 100% real, 100% very thorough, very like get to the point, like sis to give you exactly what you need. For real. She also helped me, like, not only just the spiritual mentor side, she also helped me with business wise. She helped me with content wise, like graphic design. She's very gifted in so many ways and very talented too. So shout out to Christian, girl. Shout out, girl, if you ever seen this. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all watch this video, and this is probably going to be the last thing I was saying here. So until next time, y'all, stay blessed.
And let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. Just one good step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Slide my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say that's my intention. You're making me want to say oh. Are you trying to leave? How I love to keep you here with me, your baby. I think I'll say oh. I don't know your name, but excuse me. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. Are you trying to leave? How I love to keep you here with me, your baby. I wanna I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. You tryna leave? Oh. I would love to keep you here with me, you baby.
Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if the shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Hope you can understand. Y'all will make the dance like this. Y'all will make the bounce like this. You gotta know it's made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.